Daddy's got the hiccups. Getting bored with it. Here, you want your strap?
That's it.
We're in a truck. We got a new dishwasher in tubs around. Yay! She was looking at him saying, like, really? Now she's done with it. Now she's just playing with the frog. She's so adorable. She's getting too big for this, though. When she sits up straight, it's below her shoulders. Fingers. 2 fingers. Not too loose. She's too tall. Her feet hanging off the edge. Already. She's just now turning 5 months. Everybody's like, she's big. And some people say, she's so tiny. I think she's big. She's tall. She's really tall. Yeah. Oh, I think that's funny. Now you got the hiccups. Whoa. You think that's funny? Whoa, what was that? Water? Spit? I gotta wash her car seat. She's got food all over it.
Because somebody feeds her in her car seat.
Yeah, because that's the only place I have to feed her. Until we move. I have a high chair that we're going to use at the new house. New old house. Okay. I think she's done being cute. Hiccup real loud. Hiccup really loud. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Yay! Hiccup really loud. What is that? She looked at me like, what was that? Huh? Wow, that was loud. is this? In your mouth. What is that? Move your mouth. Move your hands. Move your hands. I want to see. La, 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 la. Hey, look. Got you. What is that right there on the bottom? Left. By her. On her gums. What is that? Is that a tooth poking through? Is that a tooth poking through? Are you poking a tooth through? Or is that a sword? Can't see it. Too quick. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Oh well. Excuse me. A boo. A boo. Abu. 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 Can I see it? Yeah. Oh, no, you don't. It's over by the house.
Told me that like
You got this.
30 seconds ago. I can make this corner. Now there's a truck coming.
Drama. Drama, drama, drama. Yeah.
I just leave you there? Could I drop you off with the stuff? You think I was going to do this now?
You could drop me off with the stuff and then go get the car and then come back. Yeah.
Drive all the way to their place.
That would be good,
Come back and drop it off.
right? That would be fine. A peekaboo.
It's not that extremely hot today.
Yep.
You guys spare key paint, by the way.
Yes, we do. Bye-bye.